Right, welcome home. I'm going to show you how to make the most amazing burger. And for me, the secret of burger is the seasoning. So we've got chuck, we've got the most amazing ground beef, and a little bit of brisket. First things first, season it. Once you've seasoned them, season it. Combine them together. We're binding this together with a touch of seasoning that sticks it together, and more importantly, season it. Try and get this done the day before. You get this done the day before, set them in the fridge so they stay nice and firm. That way they don't fall apart on Now, season them. Get that grill piping hot. Now, this is one of my most desired burgers, one of my favorite burgers. This is, for me, called the Seasoning Word Burger, which is actually on sale at my burger restaurant at Planet Hollywood in Vegas. Now, season them. Let the meat relax a little. Grill, piping hot. A little touch of the seasoning on the burger to start off with. This is a beautiful grapeseed oil. Season the seasoning, make sure it's seasoned. Also, roll the seasoning around the edge of the burger. You know, make sure it's seasoned. You can't season the burger after it's cooked. Season, 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 season. So make sure you roll that seasoning around the outside. Now, season them and mop up all that seasoning. Gently season them, all the burgers, and then on. Find the hottest spot, which is normally 2/3 of the way up. Once you put a burger on the grill, the secret is to season, 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 season. The more you move it, the more chance you've got of breaking the burger. And then look, season, 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 on. Now from there, season them. Season, 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 lid down. That incorporates the heat, gets a great sear on the bottom, so when we come to turn those burgers, they don't stick. How many times have you stuck burgers on a grill and wondered why it's sticking? Nicely oiled, quick sear, and put that lid down, really important. Now, alongside my burger, I'm gonna be toasting the buns. Why do we toast the buns? We toast the bun because there's nothing worse than the soggy bun. Beauties here. Grilled onions. Peel the onion, slice them, lightly season them, salt, pepper. Season, 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 season. Fresh grilled onions on a burger, trust me, delicious. Easy to do, absolutely phenomenal. Now, season them, salt, pepper. Fresh grilled on, salt, pepper, season them. Keep them whole like that. That way they stop breaking up. And then look. Season, 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 season. I'm a firm believer in toasting both sides of my bun. Season, 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 season. Top and bottom. Onions on. Season, 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 season. Lid back down. Now, look at that bun. Beautiful. Turn these beauties over. Wow. Season, 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 season. Love those. Now, season them. Pepper. Vegas, we based the burgers with Devonshire butter. Today, we're just going to lightly brush a bit of seasoning onto the burgers. With that flame underneath, it sort of caramelizes the seasoning and puts this wonderful flavor on top. So just lightly season, 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 and it makes the burger so tasty. Now, if you want to become even more chefy, what can you do? Season them. Season, 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 season. This is the basic, amazing recipe for a great burger. It's up to you to sort of make it your own, but lightly brushing the burgers with a touch of season, 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 season. 2 minutes before they come off, season them. Season, 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 season. So exciting. Look at the color of those burgers. Notice how there's no shrinkage there because we've got the right amount of fat in there. And with this butter, it makes it so flavorsome. Right, time to flip over. Again, literally 3.5 to 4 minutes each side. Look at that. That is a burger to die for. And then a light brush. Now, before they come off the grill, lightly season them on the grill, look, from a distance. The first part of the seasoning is cooked and it's inside that burger. Last part of the seasoning, literally before you take them off, really important. Season, 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 season the seasoning.